Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the active specification. So this car comes with a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and full Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning. The car comes with 1 year's warranty and is free to tax. So let's have a look around. So this car was originally sold by us from new and is a full service history with us too. But if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.